Let us come to future tenses. First we have simple future tense or future indefinite tense. We use this tense to express an action which will take place in future. For example, people will support the fight against corruption. We also use this tense to express planned or intended actions in future. For example, I will pick up my friend in the afternoon. We use this tense to refer to a general statement about future. For example, the Sensex will crumble down as the oil prices are rising. In simple future tense, we also use going to form. We use this in two scenarios. First one is to predict a future action when there is clear indication that it will happen, when it is based on our observations. For example, the baby is going to catch a cold because it is not wearing a cap. The other one is when we want to show our intentions. For example, I am going to help her. Future continuous tense. This tense is used to indicate an action that will be going on in future. For example, she will be joining a coaching center for tuitions. We also use this tense to refer to a pre-scheduled future plan. For example, the manager will be meeting the new clients on Monday. We can also use it to refer to a longer ongoing future action interrupted by another shorter future action. For example, Sohan will be studying when you reach home. Now we have future perfect tense. We use this tense to indicate an action which will be completed before a certain time in future. For example, they will have finished serving food by the time you reach the restaurant. Now we have future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is used to refer to a long action before a particular time in future. For example, the choir will have been singing for an hour before the play starts. We can also use this tense to refer to an action that will begin at a particular time in future and will continue beyond that time. For example, Sneha will have been sleeping for 2 hours by the time the maid reaches the house. So, with this, we have come to an end to this video. I hope you have understood all the tenses